never crawled before.
Come here. Come to Mama. Hey. You're doing it. Oh my goodness. You're crawling.
You can go wherever you want
Just
now.
like that, you're crawling.
Hi. Yeah. You're 8 months and 6 days old? No.
No.
15 days old?
Yeah, no, not that much.
It's June 7th.
So like 10 days. 8 months and 10 days.
So it's like 10, 11 days, yeah. 8 months and 11 days. 30 months.
And you're crawling.
There's Lyra. Hi, Lyra.
Hi, Lyra.
Hi, Lyra dog.
Hi, Lyra. What's your baby doing? Your baby's
There's a sugar bee. Mama.
Come get it. Oh my goodness. Come get it. Come get it. Good girl. You're coming. Come on. Come get it. You can do this. Oh, good girl. Yeah, you did it.
You did it. Woohoo! Layton. Ladybug. Tiny bug. Little bug.
Baby. Crawl. Show me how you go get that. Where'd it go?
One after another.
Oh,
No stops. No breaks.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. You did it. Look at her reset herself and get ready to sit and bring it up.
She's not falling down anymore.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Turn around. Go get that.
Go get it, baby.
Go get that.
Go
Get it.
get that. Oh. Look at her.
Yeah, oh my God, I want that picture. That was adorable.
Look at her go. She's happy. I think she just realized that she could move herself around.
I know.
She's like, really, look at her.
Yeah.
Hilarious.
Doggy lifts,
Good
leg lifts.
girl. You did
Yeah.
that.
Woo.
I think it's just occurring to her what she's doing.
All right.
Good job, Leighton.